Welcome back. Everyone else is slowly moving closer to the Jersey coastline.
So the question is, how soon can we expect the worst of it? Larisa's here to break down its path as it tracks toward our region. Larisa.
Yeah, and we've been watching this storm closely for weeks now. At least that's what it feels like. And here it is behind me, the center of circulation still over North Carolina, the very southern edge of it. But we do have what is a tornado watch and 2 tornado warnings as we speak. We're watching this closely, and it's always important to see what it does before it moves into our region. And an isolated threat for tornadoes is certainly not out of the question. Right now, Elsa continues to maintain its current tropical status, and it's packing max sustained winds of 45 miles an hour. It's moving very quickly northeast at 20 miles an hour. And as we head towards this evening, it's going to be right outside of Delaware, moving over the region here by late tonight and into early Friday morning. It'll be out of here by late Friday morning, and then we are done with Elsa. Let's go ahead and talk timing, because we'll see the threat for a few more thunderstorms move in before Elsa's moisture gets to us. And you can see here, denoted by the brighter returns out north and west, that we could be tracking some downpours even while Elsa's moisture is still well to our south. But we're going to begin to see some of that rainfall move in as early as 8 p.m. tonight, and it's going to be moving in from south to north. So 8:45 shows our southern neighborhoods beginning to see some rain. The rain should be falling gently and then picking up in intensity as the night wears on. Take a look at 12:45. We're talking heavy torrential downpours by that time, but notice where the concentration is. We're talking Delaware up towards the Jersey Shore. As I move the clock forward, here's 3:15. Now it's just about everywhere in our viewing area getting slammed by the storm, not only with the heavy rain, but notice those wind particles. That is wind shoving in that ocean water right up and down the Jersey Shore, which is why storm surge is going to be another problem for us. And this is just a lot of rain falling down at once. So flash flooding is going to be the #1 threat. And we just showed you what it's doing to North Carolina, bringing in those isolated tornado warnings. I do suspect we're going to see that as well as we head towards late tonight and into early parts of Friday morning. If I had to pick a time between 1 and about 5 a.m. is when we'll see the best chance for isolated tornadoes over our area. So the winds will be intense as we head towards 8, the worst of it north and east and away from our region. We're not quite out of the woods for Friday, as we will also be tracking a few scattered afternoon thunderstorms, and because all of the moisture locked in place, some of them can bring some downpours. How much rain we're talking? A whole lot of it. And notice where it's bright pink. That's right up and down the Jersey Shore. That's where we do anticipate upwards of 6 inches of rain. And as I mentioned, that's a lot of rain. And when you also factor in the possible storm surge, we're tracking, once again, flooding across many locations. So just to recap, the flooding, or rather the threat for Elsa, will begin tonight at around 8 p.m. and continue until 8 a.m. on Friday. We'll be tracking wind gusts as high as 50 miles an hour, storm surge up to feet, and anywhere between 2 to 6 inches of rain. 7-day shows it does get better by Saturday, but let's get through tonight and tomorrow.
All right, just these next 24 hours will be key, and we know you'll keep on top of it. Larisa, thank you for that.